100%. Indra is the best. Then Narada was wondering, yes, true, what you say is true. Even I am not serving Krishna 24 hours a day. I am chanting Krishna's name, but I am not taking much bigger responsibilities in this world for Krishna. I feel ashamed. Oh great king, you have opened my eyes. What you say is true. Indra is not working for himself. Indra is working for God. And he is managing. And because of that, Vamana appeared as his younger brother, and Indra is protected every now and then. Whole churning of the milk ocean took place. And once Indra got a curse. He has to have 1000 lingas on his body. He got a curse. And Krishna affectionately converted that curse into 1000 eyes. And that is how Indra got 1000 eyes on his body. Oh great king, what you said is true. This moment I will go and meet Indra. So the lesson from the king is, we should strive to serve Krishna the best of our capacity. If I ask this question in this assembly, do we all serving Krishna to the best of our capacity? What would be the answer? You can type in the chat box, I can see that. What will be the answer? Are we all serving Krishna to the best of our capacity? Then, yes, all same answer, no. True. Krishna had given us, genuinely if we all think for a second, Krishna had given us everything. Wealth, intelligence, capacity, good family, good relatives, very nice association, financial resource, health, everything is taken care. Many of us, I know many of the devotees personally in this assembly, in this online assembly. Many of us have come from a very simple, humble background. Now look at ourselves, how well placed we are, how Krishna has taken care of our life, this journey. So then next, Narada Muni went to meet Indra. And when he was going in to meet in Amaravati, while approaching itself, Narada started glorifying Indra, you are great. Because who else will get Supreme Lord is his younger brother. And to the surprise, then Narada Muni, Varada Gopalji, out of humility, he has made a comment, but I don't agree with that. So, when Narada Muni went into Amaravati, when he was about to meet Indra, Narada Muni was even taken back because next to Indra, at a lower seat, at a humble lower seat, Vamandev is sitting there. His younger brother, Upendra. That is why Vamana is called Upendra, younger brother of Indra. He appeared as younger brother of Indra just to protect Indra. But when Indra was in a trouble and Aditi Mata prayed so much to protect my son, so Supreme Lord appeared as Vamana simply to protect him. And Narada was shocked. Vamana is sitting next to him and they were chatting, brothers were chatting so happily, discussing, laughing. Then Narada Muni was even more convinced. He glorified, what a glorious position you have. What a glorious position you have. Supreme Lord has become your brother, and many leelas in Bhagavatam simply manifested for you, Indra. The whole churning of milk ocean, just to satisfy you, Indra, just to bless you. What and all you have. And Narada with the raised arms singing the glories of Indra. Indra closed his ears and said, Narada Muni, whenever you glorify me, I feel you are indirectly insulting me. Genuinely, I don't deserve this because I know what I am. I am lusty. I have gone behind so many women. I am lusty. And whenever I see a female, some other strange thoughts appear in my mind. I know how dirty I am, how fallen I am lusty, right? And in Vrindavan, when during Rama's time I have troubled Lord Ram. When Krishna appeared, I went and troubled Vrajvasis. I am selfish. So I genuinely say, Narada Muni, please don't glorify me. Because I feel it is an insult. I am so uneasy, uncomfortable. Your glorification, I really don't deserve it. And I feel it is an insult. What a Vaishnava he is. How many of us are uncomfortable when devotees glorify us? Our mind will say, Prabhuji, don't stop. It is such a nectar. Please glorify me. Continuously glorify me. And you go and spread this to others also. Tell them how great I am. And some of us fight. After the festival, after the event, we fight. Why I am not glorified? When you glorified all the other devotees' name, why did you leave my name? Begging for glorification. What great Vaishnavas we are. That is it. I am not going to come for any more satsang hereafter. No more. Because that yatra leader took all the names. He purposely left my name. I didn't get my glorification part. Look at this. Indra genuinely felt, you are insulting me. And one example I'll tell you. It happened, it is connected to His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj. So, Radhanath Swami Maharaj was sitting in the temple hall every day morning after Mangalarti. That is his routine. And devotees will sit and chant 16 rounds, and when Maharaj is sitting, then the crowd will be even bigger, And while chanting, all the devotees will be looking at His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj. So one day, Radhanath Swami Maharaj was sitting in a place, particular spot, and he got up from the spot and he went to another spot, kind of a corner, Then after some time, he left from that place. Then some devotees asked Maharaj, why did you leave? No, everybody is looking at me and I'm feeling very uneasy. That's why I left the place. Imagine, we are all hankering for a stage. We are all hankering that I should be the center of focus. Even if a family photo is taken, I will make sure I will be in the center in the line. We need a stage, we need a place, we need people to, attend to us. Indra, the lesson from Indra is a genuine humility. Indra was feeling this glorification is an insult to me. Because whenever Narada Muni you are glorifying, I can remember what all dirty things I have done. So I am not able to accept it. Please. And Indra closed his ears and said, what is this? My role model and inspiration is Brahmaji. Because how fortunate, you are telling that Vamana appeared as my brother. That is true. But that is once in a lifetime. I hardly happen to see Vamana. But imagine the position of Brahmaji. Brahmaji can meet Krishna, the Supreme Lord, every day. Brahmaji can meet Ram, Parshuram, Vamana at least 14 times a day. Brahmaji can meet Matsya Avatar and Kurma Avatar 14 times a day. He can meet Krishna once a day. Look at the fortune of Brahmaji. Because in a day of Brahma there are 14 manvantras, and in every manvantra the avatars keep coming. 14 times he can meet Lord. What a great blessing. And Brahmaji is the confidential assistant of Krishna in the entire creation. He meets, and Krishna discusses all the serious matters with Brahmaji. Brahmaji on behalf of Krishna simply maintains the whole creation. And Indra is going on glorifying Brahmaji. Then Narada Muni felt very happy because Brahmaji is Narada's father. Yes, true. True, Indra. What you say is right. Many times when I speak with my father, I forget his glories. Thank you. You have revealed it to me. It is true. My father is a most fortunate person because he meets Krishna every day in his life. Meets other avatars 14 times and Krishna takes counsel from Brahmaji. What a great thing. Immediately, without wasting even a split second, I will rush and meet my father and I want to touch his feet. So the lesson from Indra is genuine humility. When people praise us, genuinely feeling that I don't deserve this, and think of Krishna at that time, Guru at that time, and mentally we make a prayer, Gurudev, this is for you, not for me. Because Prabhujis will come and say, in our Vaishnava community, we have this, leg catching game and all. Sometimes devotees, each one catches other's legs and other one pull. And sometimes they pull the devotee also. All these games will be going on. Actually, we don't deserve all these things. Are we qualified to give our pada leg to somebody else? And that man who is chanting 16 rounds and serving Krishna, touching and putting on his head, really do you think we deserve this? We know what we are. But still when people appreciate, we feel very happy, comfortable. And this quality is detrimental for Krishna consciousness. So at least we are not like Indra, genuinely feeling bad, but at least we make a prayer, Krishna, this is not for me. This is not for me. Honestly, this appreciation is not for me. I know what I am, exactly. And I know I am 45-year-old. No one in this world will know me better than me. I know what I am, how dirty I was when the age of 18, how dirty when I was 20, how dirty I am today, how much I am attached to position, how much I am attached to power, how much I am attached to glorification. I know myself. No one in this world will know me. So at least make a prayer. So then Narada Muni went to Brahmaji, raising his arms, and he was so happy because Brahmaji is his father. So he was so happy, even glorifying his father, Brahmadev, and chanting mantras and shlokas and things like that. And he said, Krishna respects you and you can meet Krishna every day. Who else is greater than you? I am so fortunate that I have become your son and, glorifying so much. Then Brahmaji said, Narada, come here. I will tell you a beautiful conversation I had with Krishna one day. You think I am meeting Krishna every day, so I am great? Nothing like that. I will tell you one conversation which I had with Krishna. Then Narada Muni said, yes. Then said, one day I met Krishna and Krishna Bhagavan told me, in the 14 planetary systems, nobody is giving me seva. Every devotee is serving me, Brahmaji. But Brahmaji, you are the only person creating seva for me and making me busy. Because of you, I have to take hundreds and hundred avatars and work so hard. And Brahmaji was wondering, what? You idiotically give blessings to Hiranyakashipu, Ravana, Kumbhakarna, Kamsa, this, that, everybody. And those people will turn demoniac. And to suppress them, I have to come again and again taking avatar. Who told you to give these blessings to Hiranyakashipu? You gave the blessing. That nobody will be, you cannot be killed in day and dark and night and sun. Because Brahma, you gave this blessing to Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu became even powerful and he continues demoniac activities. I have to appear as Narasimha. Then you gave a blessings to Ravana. Then I have to come as Rama. You are giving me seva. So Brahmaji said this, even though Krishna smilingly, jokingly said, my dear son Narada, this is really true. Because of my stupidity, because of my idiotic decision, how much damages had happened in the 14 planetary system. Lord have to take so many. You are appreciating.